This is our introduction to the second method of solving systems. This method is by substitution. We're going to do it first with just the shapes that we had done the introduction with. So we have an example here where we are told that a square has two more dots than a triangle. And I've represented that as an equation. The number of dots in a square is equal to the number of dots in a triangle plus 2. A square has two more than a triangle. This equal sign is what's important. This equal sign tells us that what's on the left is the same as that on the right. And because of that, wherever we see a square in another equation, we can remove the square and in its place substitute something that's equal to it. So we can take the triangle plus 2 dots and put it in place of this square. Over here, we can do that. What we've done is we are substituting. We're replacing something with what we know that it's equal to. Why? What's the value of doing this? Well, originally we had no way to solve this equation because it has two different unknowns. But now we can solve this equation. It's one equation with just one unknown. So we can distribute 6 dots there, 3 times 2. We can use algebra. 5 equals 10. I subtracted the 6 over there. And then the triangle must have 2 dots. Once I know that the triangle must have 2 dots, I can plug that 2 in right here to find out that the square must have 4 dots. I can take those values and check them and see that that does hold. 12 plus 4 is 16. And so this is our solution. The square has 4 dots and the triangle has 2 dots. In the future, instead of using shapes, we will use x equals y plus 2. And this will be 3x plus 2y equals 16. And we'll be taking the y plus 2 and replacing the x. And that is the introduction to solving by substitution.